YouTube family, I am back with a quick video with an unboxing. I ordered a new cutting board, so I wanted to show you on camera. This will be the first time that I'm opening this. So I did order this from Bruce City Engraving. So let's go ahead and open it up. I just got it out of the mail today. I'm so excited. Okay, let me cut this across. Oh, it needs to be temperamental and don't want to open for me. You know how they have these so thick. That's why I grabbed my scissors. There we go. Yay! Look at that, family! Isn't that awesome? I'm so excited. Love it, love it, love it. And it fits perfectly in the middle of my stove when I'm cutting. So, oh, I'm so happy. I may order another one a little larger, but I wanted this one, like I said, just for the middle of the stove where I'm always cutting. So this is the front, Mochaeatstv, and I love pineapples, and I started YouTube on March 21st, 2021. Yay! And this is the back. This is where you actually use this side. And so I had it oiled. I paid for them to oil it for me, so I didn't have to worry about doing any of that. So if you want to order from them, and this was on sale, I paid $2 for the oiling, and the cutting board I believe was like $11.56, something like that, but no more than $15 with everything. So this is my new cutting board. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I will see you guys in another video. If you like my content, please hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and thumbs up the video and also hit the bell notification so you'll never miss another one of my videos. And to all of your family and friends, if you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, keep on coming back for the goodness. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of the day. Take care and be safe. Oh, by the way, check out my short.